When I made the dummy for this mechanism, I used scrap paper, so you can see the paper is red. It's kind of hard to see. When I made the V-fold here, I didn't do any measurement. I just took a piece of paper, cut out a corner from it, nor did I spare any space for the tab because I used tissue tape here. Now that the dummy is successful, I have to transfer the measurements onto this paper, and I find that the measurements are a little awkward. But never mind, you may not want to follow it just like what I did. Just cut out a corner about this size and then have your own measurement. Anyway, I will provide you with the measurements in the photos. But what's important is that the width here should be long enough so that I can place the hand, because the hand has to be tilted at an angle, not straight aligned with the tab here. Because when it closes, if it's straight, it will clash with the other hand. You can also see from this dummy that I had two slits here that I cut previously, and I put the tab in there, but they were not in the right positions because when I close the card, you can see that the tab flips over, but because I have to put it on the card, so there's not enough space for it to flip over. So I moved the slits about 1 to 2 cm higher. And now they move better, more smoothly. That's why it's very important to have to make a dummy. I've marked the positions of the two slits and also the tip of the V-fold here. And you may already know that when you glue a V-fold on the page, it lies flat when the card is open. I've painted the rope in white first to cover the color of the base page, then in neon yellow so that the rope looks a little bit fluorescent or glowing. I put glue on one side of the tab first. Line the central crease with the goulie, and then I will put glue on here and glue the other side. Close it to see if it can close properly. I've made two arms, but I forgot to spare space for the glue tab. But never mind, now I make two rectangular pieces and fold it in half, and I painted the edge with flesh color. Then I will glue one side here and the other side on the V-fold. Now I'll do the same for the other side. Now I've glued on the hands, and I think I told you before that don't glue the hands straight in line with the arms, but just like this so that they don't clash with each other. And I find that it's not very perfect because I think I can reduce the height of the V-fold a little bit so that the glue tab or the arms won't move so much at the back. But I think I will live with that. Mind you that since the arm moves a long distance from here to here and then here, that is double the width of this V-fold, so you have to make the arms very long.